Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Most creams are likely to be differentiated by their fat content. The higher the fat content of a cream, the thicker the consistency. And in reality, pure cream really should be double cream since it has the highest fat percentage and is therefore the purest.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cooking cream, which is sometimes labeled as culinary cream, is stabilized to withstand high cooking temperatures without curdling or breaking. It contains less butterfat than heavy cream, but it's lighter and more liquid than heavy cream. It's the ideal cream to use when you need to simmer or bring a dish to a boil.
Take our lead.
Double cream is heavy cream with a butterfat content of 42%. This is hard to find in the US. You can substitute heavy cream, which has at least 36% butterfat. Avoid ultra-pasteurized versions which are more difficult to whip and don't have a clean, fresh, cream flavor.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Heavy cream. Heavy cream aka heavy whipping cream is a high-fat content cream with greater than 36% fat content in it. It's a smooth dense cream that can be whipped and used for decoration on cakes and beverages, e.g. your coffee in Starbucks.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.